To locate the JDBC URL for your Databricks instance, log in to Databricks. In the left-hand navigation pane, click on Compute and select the compute resource you want to connect to. Ensure that the compute resource is running. Then, in the Compute Details page, click on the Advanced Options tab. Scroll down and you will see the URL listed under the JDBC ODBC section. You will need to replace the personal access token. Let's now take a look at how we can create this token. Click on your user icon in the upper right corner and select Settings. Navigate to the Developer tab. Click on Manage Against Access Tokens and then Generate New Token. Provide a name for the token. You may leave the lifetime field as blank to ensure your token doesn't expire and that your imports keep running. Click Generate and copy the token. Use this token to replace the personal access token in the previous step. That's it! Your URL is ready to create a connection.